first of all, guys, I just want to say you all done absolutely amazing tonight. You've all been absolute stars, and I can't fault any one of you. So can we have a round of applause for them again, guys? Right, we're going to go to the judges now for their feedback, okay? Zoe.
Honestly, every single one of you should be should be so proud of yourselves. You were all so amazing and so talented, and I can definitely see why you're all here. Like, there's nothing else I can say. You should all just be so proud.
Thanks, so Kelly.
I think considering this is just an audition stage, I think the level of talent that we've seen tonight has been absolutely amazing. We've come back with a bang. You know, we've been out for such a long time now due to all the coronavirus, and I just want to thank you all for coming and making our first season back. Just what an incredible round of auditions and an incredible round of people. So thank you very much, and it's just been amazing, an amazing night. Well done.
Thanks, Kel. Joey.
You all should be really, really, really proud. For this to be, we still got the online auditions yet, but for this live audition part, I think you've all outshone yourself tonight. And I don't know how everyone else feels in the room, but I know you're all with separate contestants and that, but I think everyone can agree that this was strong tonight. There was so much talent there between all of you. Generally, there's so much there. I truly believe we found some really raw diamonds here. I really do. And like I said, we haven't got to see the online auditions yet. But when you all merge back together, I can just imagine how it's going to be just from seeing what we've seen today in front of us. So usually what we would do on these audition slots is there isn't a number of how many people need to leave or how many people need to go through. We kind of just go based on what we're seeing in front of us. Do we think you've got potential? Do we think that you need to be part of this to grow? All these other questions like this. And we generally decided today that we really want to see you all in the next part, every single one of you, right? And the reason why we've decided this is because of what we've seen today. There is nerves in some people, there's a lot of growth to be done in others, there's some people that we feel are really, really ready. There's a mixture across the board, but ultimately we feel like you all deserve a place in boot camp with us next Sunday, right? When we join you back with the other online auditions. You should all be really, 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 really proud of yourself. And yeah, congratulations to you all. We want to see you all again next Sunday for boot camp, all right? So round of applause from all, please. So just before I carry on, just before we end the evening, I hope you all enjoyed yourself. I know it's been nervous, but welcome to Talent Search Cymru. You know, we're not just a network. We try to support everyone equally. Lots of people call it a family, you know, because of how close-knit we all are, and we all really help each other. And I want all of you to do that too. Like, I know you don't know each other yet, but you're potentially going to be next to each other throughout this process. So take advantage of getting to know each other and making friends, because that's what it's all about. It's about you lot learning each other's skills and what you can all do and what you all offer. You know, make friends. This is a family. This is a network that's potentially going to be in your life for the next 2 months. So what you need to be doing is making the most of it. And if you want to do well, you have to work hard. You have to. But we're all behind you. As you can see tonight, we're there for all of you. And everyone else, your friends and families, we're all there, all right? So, just before I carry on, I did say to you a little bit before we started tonight about the categories, all right? So I'm quickly just going to go through the names now, just so you're all aware, all right? So, we have decided that Zoe's going to be working with the unders category this season, right? So we've got Jessica, Brooke, Megan, and Mia. We're all working with you, just so everyone knows. We're all there to help and support everyone. But your mentor throughout this search is going to be Zoe, alright? She's going to be working with the under 16s. So, the 17 to 24 age group is going to be working with Kelly. So, Sibel, Keely, Rhiannon, I believe you three will be working with Kelly throughout this process, right? And you're in safe hands. She will really bring out the passion and everything, because that's the sort of singer she is, as you've seen by her performance, very raw. So she will bring that out in you. So you've landed lucky there. And of course, I'm with the Oba. So Natasha, I'll be working with you as a mentor this season, and guys, I'll be working with you too, alright? So I look forward to working with you. Any questions, you've only got to inbox us. Now I know we've got a lot of you on Facebook. Now a lot of the time when we keep in contact with our categories, we usually set up separate messengers on Facebook and then put you and your category in that messenger with your mentor, and then any questions you got, any advice you need or anything, you can go message straight there and ask Kelly, right Kel, what about this, I'm thinking of this song, blah blah blah, all that sort of, the same with you, my category. So we'd be setting up that, so if you're on Facebook guys, make sure you if you haven't got a contact with us or the Townships Cymru page, make sure you just let us know so I can send you the Facebook page so we can, you know, request and then put you into your groups, alright? So other than that, well done to you all and welcome to Townships Cymru. You're in for a ride, you really are. This is just the audition, so well done to you all, alright?
Can I just add as well, they'll help with the vocal side. You want to bring some flavour to your performances, I'm on Facebook as well and you can message me as well, alright?
So yeah, so that concludes the evening. So thank you all so much. Thank you all the friends and family who've come and supported them. That's what it's all about. You know, you need to be there for their first steps into it. But I'm so excited about what's going to happen here and what's to come. I really am. Don't forget your performances will be online as of Monday into Tuesday, right? There's no particular order how they go up. It's usually whatever file comes through first. But it will go up between Monday and Tuesday and you will be told when it's online. And then you can obviously go and view it and share it and do whatever you want, alright? So other than that, well done to you all and thank you for the first audition. Amazing. Round of applause from all guys.